Hello guys, this is Animesh Datta. This video is on law of attraction. You know, the name law of attraction actually means a lot. Some law is there on attraction. Okay, so attraction. What does it mean by attraction? Attraction means you are attracting some other thing. It may be like negative thing or positive thing. If you are a man, you can also attract a woman. If you are a woman, you can also attract a man. So this is basically on the law of attraction. Okay, so if you are attracting something, the same thing can come to you. This is real. Please believe me, because I have experimented this thing, law of attraction. You know, but always use this law of attraction thing for positive thing, for good thing, not for negative thing. Okay, and do not try just don't try to use this law of attraction uh, mm, you are in an office or you are in a college and you are trying to attract your seniors. This is not a good thing. So the purpose of this video is that sometimes we think that some bad things are happening. So why these bad things are happening to a particular family, to a particular person? It is because of that particular person. So if I am thinking anything as negative, okay, so suppose I'm giving a few examples. I'm just going out for office, okay. It may be you are going out for your job, or going out for your own company. Okay, if you are thinking that I will be late today, if you are thinking like that, you will be late today. Actually, in real life, you will be late. Okay, if you are thinking, or if you are visualizing like this, you have to reach at your office at 9:30 a.m. So you are just visualizing yourself, or you are attracting that particular time, that I will be just close your eyes and imagine that you will be there at your office at 9:25 a.m. So you will be there at your office at your office 5 minutes before 9:30. Okay, so think like that. Okay, so think positive. If you are thinking positive, the people, those who are around you, okay, and those who are around you, they will also get positive vibrations from you. And it is not, I'm not just telling, okay, I have read a lot of books on this, and also the science is telling the same thing. If you are attracting good thing will happen to you. If you are attracting negative thing will attract to you. So basically, if you are going to see any news channels, okay, some news channels are always showing negative things, always, like some kind of destruction is going on, some firing is going on, or some accident is there, okay, and some houses are got fired. All those things are showing. So if you are seeing all those negative things like at television, okay, if you are getting the negative idea at your own, okay, so negative things can happen in your life. So whatever you are watching in your television, okay, whatever you are doing, it should be always positive. And suppose you can also come across a lot of people around, okay, in office or in some other place, okay, maybe at your home. So try to avoid those people and try to also make them positive, but don't avoid people at your home, then it will be a big problem. And you also help other people at your home, that they should be positive. If everyone is positive, the family will be always good and helpful, and the whole world will be in a positive direction, and there will be no struggle, no war between countries, okay, for any land. It will be a peaceful thing. So that is why the concept came law of attraction. If you try yourself, okay, So just try this example whenever you are going for your office, for your college. Just apply this thing, that if you are late by 5 minutes every day, just try today, okay? Just think that I have reached my office or college before 5 minutes. You will think, if you think like that, then you will be there, like, before time. So how you can use this law of attraction thing? Like, you are not getting job for a long time, and like your health is not good, your health is very critical, you can die anytime. So think like that like you are good, okay? And if you are bedridden for your bad health, okay, you can think like that you are going to college or office, you are going somewhere, okay, you are really very strong, and like you are walking perfectly, or you are running like this. That is the benefit of like attract good thing. If you attract bad thing, what will happen? Okay, there may be some problem with your manager, with your clients at your office, or maybe with your seniors or college teachers at your college, and also at your home, like with your wife, with your children, or with your parents. A lot of problem can come, okay? So if day by day everyone is becoming positive about their activity, it will be really helpful. So you can use this law of attraction for your good thing, for like getting job, okay, a good and peaceful like life at your home, and like to avoid your financial crisis. If you are thinking that you have a 10 million bucks at your bank account, and you are every day like seeing your bank account, it may be any bank, and you are seeing that your the amount what is there in your bank, it is increasing day by day. You are just imagining, you are visualizing good thing, okay? So good thing will come. Actually, some maybe you have forgot, but you have given some money to other people, you are getting those money, and you are getting good job opportunity, and that is why your bank account is increasing. Or you are getting money some other fields, some other task that you are doing side by side your job, that thing can happen. So basically, a lot of whatever a negative activity you have, negative idea you have, just remove this and make it positive. Think positive, okay? Whatever dreams you have, whatever achievements you want to achieve, do, okay, just think that you have already achieved, okay? Or you can see like in a successful mode, or you can visualize all those things in your mind, okay? And if you are attracting good thing, then you can get good things, okay? Thank you guys. This is always attract good thing. Thank you. See you soon.